How does the development work? I've gone through this. These are the 7 steps, 8 steps that require 5 different engineering skill sets, and we have automated 7 out of those 8. Like I said, please do go spread the TinyML.studio or Canvas platform that we have. We are offering for free, specifically for researchers and students, and explore some of these applications that make you feel good. And you might find an interest in building a company on top of these applications. And this is some of the features. And like I said, this technology, TinyML technology, is enabling disruption in thousands of verticals. And if you have time and interest in one of these, please come talk to us, and I'll give you more data as to where and how.